Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and the correct Windows edition. This avoids surprises. Next, open Settings or Control Panel to reach BitLocker controls and select the drive you'll back up. Choose where to store the recovery key, your Microsoft account for cloud, a USB for portability, or save it as a file on a separate, secure device. Once chosen, confirm the save. Make sure the destination is on a different physical device than the encrypted drive. Now suspend BitLocker before maintenance. This prevents repeated recovery prompts. You can run command prompt as admin and type, manage BDE protectors disable C, reboot count 1, which suspends until the next reboot, or open BitLocker settings and click suspend protection. Once suspended, verify status with manage BDE status C or the GUI. Keep the recovery key accessible during this window, because some firmware or updates can still trigger key requests. Make sure to note how long protection will be off. Finish by re-enabling BitLocker after your task. Use Manage BDE Protectors Enable C, or resume protection in the BitLocker control panel, then confirm with Manage BDE status. Verify your backup by opening the saved file, checking your Microsoft account entry, or confirming the USB is readable. If Windows asks for the recovery key repeatedly, check the TPM and BIOS/UEFI settings, ensure Secure Boot is consistent, and confirm firmware updates didn't reset keys. That single troubleshooting check solves most recurring prompts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.